Hey folks, GitHub has launched a new program named as GitHub Externship for undergraduate students who are above the age of 18 and are currently in their third or pre-final year from BE, BTech, MCA or BCA branch. You can join our Telegram channel for more updates on internships, jobs, scholarships or to discuss something. So you must be thinking what a GitHub Externship is. So it is a 90 days fellowship program about learning and preparing students to be market ready and strengthening industry academic relations and giving them practical experience. This program aims to provide innovative solutions to the organizations participating in the program on their existing challenges and will help them identify real talent that can be employed by them later. You will also be getting paid while working with the organizations on the projects. I'll be talking about this a bit later. The program is somewhat similar to Google Summer of Code. In Google Summer of Code, the organization register themselves along with some open source projects and some goals which they want to fulfill. A similar case is there in GitHub externships as well. The organization onboarding period was from March 26th till April 21st. From today onwards, the student applications will be opening and will be open until May 21st. The first screening will start from May 22nd and will end on May 29th. And after the announcements are made, you will be interacting with the mentors under whom you will be working on the projects. This will take place from June 1st till June 14th. After this, you will be required to submit a proposal based on the project. From June 15th till June 19th, the mentors will be reviewing your proposals and will be shortlisting the final list of students, which will be announced on June 20th. After this, the coding or prototyping period will begin from June 21st till September 23rd. And throughout this timeline, you will be working on the projects and will be coding some part of the project based on the proposal which you have submitted. After this, you will be required to submit a final report based on your project completion. The timeline for submitting your final report will be from September 24th till September 28th. On September 30th, the top performers will be rewarded based on their project contribution and the report submissions. Now talking about the type of projects which will be there. So the projects which will be offered to you include a mixed range of projects from fintech, edutech, SaaS, mobile application, etc. In this program, students from some respective colleges which come under the GitHub campus program are eligible to apply. You can see the list of the colleges on your screen. I'll be adding a link in the description for the list of the colleges from which the students can apply. The reason for limiting this to GitHub campus program colleges is because they wanted to give a platform to those colleges to interact with the industry and solve real world problems. Now talking about the stipend which you will be getting working on the project. So the minimum stipend which is committed to each of the shortlisted students working on a live project is 10,000 rupees per month. And as you will be working for 90 days in this externship, you will be earning 30,000 rupees during this entire journey. The applications are open from today itself, that is April 22nd, and you can apply now through the link given in the description.